happy weekend. It's the weekend. That means it is our rest day. Not doing anything today but to do some home maintenance per usual. I've already had my breakfast this morning, as you have seen, and now I'm just having some coffee, enjoying this bit of a rainy weather. And Miss Kyra here is not liking it. So I might have to take her a little later when the rain stops, but I'm gonna be vacuuming upstairs and downstairs. And oh my god, this thing is so loud. Vacuuming upstairs and probably cleaning bathrooms. I've done our bathroom in the main room, and yeah, gonna vacuum downstairs as well. So anywho, I'm gonna enjoy this coffee a little bit and gonna be starting the cleaning. Okay. Good girl. Alright. I think Mama's down. Yep. You want chicken? That's side eye. You want chicken? Are you hungry? Oh, what a big baby. Alright. Hi. What are you into? Who's out there, puppy girl? Alright, the sun is finally out, you guys. I've finished cleaning a little earlier, but I didn't even record what I was having for for a little bit of lunch. My husband and I decided to kind of go out and get some food. We got some Freddy's. I got some chicken sandwich, of course, and I had a dessert as well. I'm not really a dessert person, but today I was feeling something sweet, so I had some. What is that? It looks like a. What's that called? I'll put a picture of what it is in here. It's got some nuts in it and some turtle. I think it's something like that. Yeah. And came home, potato for a little bit, did some laundry, cleaned up the kitchen a little bit. I am not going to clean the floors right now because the grass is wet and my girl here keeps going in and out of the house, so it's pointless if I would mop the floor and put a wax on it to make it ooh, to make it look pretty. So we're gonna wait for a few days when it's nice and pretty. But as you can tell, the sun is out. Really liking this, relaxing, not doing anything. No workouts, no running, just being lazy. So we're just gonna sit here. And Kai's over here. She's not feeling good, so I'm trying to watch out for her as well. Um, yeah, I think I'm gonna end the blog right here. I don't know what I'm gonna have for dinner, really. I don't know if it's even if it even makes sense to record it. I'm not hungry really, since it was a big lunch. So, but if I do, I am definitely going to include that at the end. Anywho, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for spending the time with me and cleaning. I hope you guys are doing the same, just chilling. So I will see you in the next one.